Welcome to my Bluestacks another video. Already I have made one video how you can install Bluestacks and how to run Google Play apps on PC totally free. If you want to use any kinds of mobile app or Android application on your computer, so how you can do it? If you want to do it, then you can watch my video. Now in this video I'm gonna talk about how to install, how to uninstall, how to use the settings of Bluestacks, and another tricks and tips I'll show you that. And if you want to install any application from your Google Play Store, then you have to go to the link, you have to go to the application by using Google Play Store, and you think that you would like to use you can use your application here. Okay, and you can use emo or any kinds of application. You can use any others application, whatever you want to run, and uninstall, or click on the cross button. And would you like to remove this icon, then click on yes button. It will take few seconds. Already I have uninstalled this one. Okay, now I am going to uninstall this one. I'm going to uninstall this one. Okay, and if you have any application FAQ file, then you can install here by using this one. Just drag and drop in here, then easily you can install. This is the storage where you want to 2.2 GB already used of 64. This is the internal share storage, how much you have already used internal share storage on Bluestacks. Okay, now let's go back. And another, if you want to turn on your location, then you can turn on here map, Google Map, then you have to turn on this location, so it will be needed. And how you can add your accounts and how you can remove your accounts. Okay, go to the setting bar, then go to the personal and go to the accounts. If you would like to add any Gmail account, so how you can do it? Just add an account, Gmail account. Okay, it will take some more time. Check in info. Now you can log in with your Gmail account, whatever you have often, or if you don't have a Gmail account, then you can create another one. Okay, now yeah, already. Okay, then yes, okay, I have already added my account. Already I have 2 accounts, so you can check here his contacts, and whatever you have a profile, so this one, mobile and email address also you can type here. Okay, contract already saved. Okay, I'm going to check this one. Already I have added this new contact. So if you want to add any pictures on your contact lists, then you can do it. This is the new picture, whatever I have captured my computer. So you can, if you have installed, if you have added any pictures, so how you can do it. And if you think that you don't have any camera, or if you don't have any camera on your devices, so how you can do it. Yeah, you can do it also. Okay, this is the one of the best example how you can add your contact. If you want to add any, if you want to import any kinds of files, that file should be maybe related to your videos or audios and pictures. Okay, just I would like to add some pictures on here. Please wait while we check this file. Okay, now I'm going to add some pictures from my local computer, local hard drive. This is my picture. This one. You can choose multiple pictures. This one. Okay, then off.